Hey everyone, so in this video I'll tell you how to use the calendar functionality in PlanMe. So first of all you need to go to the top navbar, click on this calendar tab, and once you are here you will see this huge calendar. And before we move on to these small tiles, the labels and descriptions and how to create them, see them, view them, first we need to see how to manage and control this calendar. So this calendar got three views, that is one a month view, then we have a week view in which you will see all the days of that week and with time for a single day. Like if you have any event from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m., it will show like this on the single day. And then we have a daily view. Once you come to this day view, you will see all the events and based on the timeline for the single day. Let's go back to this month view, and here if you are on any other month or day or week, once you click on this today, you will come to this current view. Let's say I'm on the next to next week and I click on today, you will come back to this view. These are your basic calendar controls. And then comes the main thing. Once you click on filter events, you will see what all these tiles are. Let's say the red color shows you the main event date, and then the purple color shows you the festivities, then the yellow color shows you the payments, and green for checklist, and then blue for calendar events. Now event dates, it's basically the main event that you are using this functionality in. Let's say Payal and Suraj's wedding. Once you click on this, you will see a detailed info here, like the start date, end date, duration, location, and all the details that you filled while creating this event. Then you go to the second tab, second thing, that is festivities, and they are the purple ones. So once you click on any purple tab or a tile, you will see all the details of this festivity. This is a festivity, this is the festivity's name, and this is the description, location, and budget, and everything. You can also go to this festivity by clicking here. And once we close this, then we go to the next, that is payments, then checklists, and calendar events. Now what is calendar events? Let's say you want to create a event that is nowhere on any other functionality and just for this calendar. Let's say this was a live band which is a festivity, but we need to plan this for these 2 days, and let's say this is a weekend celebration, and this will be 2 days. So let's say this can go on for 2 days, and we will select the time, maybe let's say 4 p.m. to next day is 7 a.m., and then we can hit create event. Now this particular event that we created is a calendar event that you created right here on this calendar. You can also move this around, change its date, time, and everything. If I go to a week view, you can see it's completely covering the whole time and the days. So it's starting from 4 p.m. going till 7 a.m. And you can also move it right here, like moving it up and down and like to the next day or the previous day. And if you go to the day view, you will see that it starts today at 4 p.m. or maybe 2 p.m. now, and you can also move it up and down again. So calendar event is the event which is very free, that you can move it around here anywhere, but all these other tiles, they are not movable that freely. Like you have to click on them, see the details, and if you want to change anything from this, you need to go to that particular functionality and change that there. This is just to show you the complete view of your whole event, that these are the payments, these are the festivities, these are your checklist items, the to-do list, the complete event, and everything. So these are just to give you the hint of what is going on, what is done, what is left, and that is it.